Mine is Margaret, is December 2012. There's going to be earthquake in Hosni, Japan, followed by a 6.2 earthquake. We are definitely in the last stage. I was just listening to Brother Patrick and the outwork of the Lord yesterday. That is the beginning of the end. We're heading into the rapture. Last week the UN signed they decided to divide Israel, and when they did that, God is going to divide the United States and the world. He's bringing judgment. Judgment is already here. We are witness to book of Revelation, chapter 6 and chapter 13, chapter 11, and chapter 9. They don't have any death order. One day that the Holy Spirit told me that yesterday, that when you read book of Revelation, they don't have any death order. Have a good day. Shalom.